the cross not moving. You see, this one not moving. And then inside got battery. So how to do? First unscrew all the screw. Okay, unscrew out. Okay, unscrew. Okay, and then use the tweezer. Okay, and then this one put one side, and then this one. Okay, take out this one. Okay, take out this one. Take out this one. And take out this one. Okay, I'll take out. And then take out this one. Okay, and then take out this one. Okay. Take out this one. The inside got glue one. Okay. Okay, to take out this one. And then dismantle this one. And then this one out. And then also this one out. Okay, then this one also take out. Also take out this one, and this one. Also take out like this one. And then inside like this one. Okay. Okay, after that, and then take out all. Take out this one. Take out this one. Take out this one. Also take out this one. Total take out. Okay, after take out. And then here, oh my god. And then here got something rushing. The battery rushing here. So need to rush. Okay, and then you take out and then see, okay, this one may be rushing. So contact got problem. So now, how to do? I use the solder to solder this one. Okay, to solder here. To solder. Okay. Okay, and then solder here. Yeah. So solder the rushing. Okay, after solder and then put it back. Put it this way and then put this one inside. Okay, and then test again. Okay, you see, moving. The contact got problem. Okay, after moving and then you put it back on. Take it out and then put it back on. This one put it back, and then this one, and then this one put it back. Okay, and then this one put it back. And then this one put it back. And then this one put it back. Okay, I'll put it back and then try again. This one negative, positive. And then moving. You see? Moving. You see this one? This one moving. Because inside now moving. You see inside? Inside this one moving, this one moving, this one moving. And then go to the below side also moving. So now it's okay. Now you cover up. Okay, now you cover up this one. Okay. Cover up. Now it's okay already. Okay, after cover up, then we try again. You see? Moving already. Okay. Okay, after moving, I pull it back all the component. And then pull it back. Pull it back must got glue here. So I need to take glue. Put this one. Put this one. Put this one. Okay, and then the glue come through here. Okay. Okay, after glue it and then put back the pin. This one. Chow. This one also chow. This one chow, this one chow. This one also chow. All put it to chow. And then you see the alignment. This one alignment a little bit done. Okay, this one a little bit done. And this one, okay. I'll put it in chow, and then put the battery. Put the battery, and then running already. Okay, working already now. Thank you for watching. Okay, now put it back and then screw it back. Okay, working. Thank you.